Today we're at Detail Garage checking out the Toys for Tots car show. Alright, that's it for us today at Detail Garage in Warwick, Rhode Island. We've done enough damage. Stuff's getting packed up on the trucks and getting moved out to go to kids, and it's going to be amazing. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for checking out all the stuff here. We're going to continue to find some other car shows coming to the end of the year, so we're going to figure out what's next. But thank you guys for tuning in. Till see you next time, and check out some of these other videos. Until then, we'll see you soon, and as always, keep on rolling.